Hi all, we are all eagerly awaiting KCT's next announcement regarding the branch and college option entry, followed by seat allocation rounds. So we are on the brink of making a crucial decision, which is selecting the right engineering college and branch. This choice will shape our careers for the next 30 to 40 years, right? Many students base their decision on salary prospect, opportunity to go abroad, peer choices, or parental preferences, or I can say parental pressure. However, these are not the best criteria for choosing and right engineering branch. Let me share some key points to consider before you make this important decision. Interest and aptitude. When it comes to selecting a branch, follow your passion. Consider your interest and strengths in subjects like mathematics, physics, and computer science. When deciding on engineering branches, understanding both your interest and aptitude is very crucial. These two factors play a significant role in ensuring that you not only enjoy your chosen field but also excel in it. So now coming, let's talk about interest. Interest refers to the enthusiasm and passion you have for a particular subject or field. It's what makes you curious and eager to learn more about a specific area. Here is why interest matters. First point is sustained motivation. When you are genuinely interested in a particular subject, you are more likely to stay motivated throughout your studies and your career. This intrinsic motivation, which comes from inside, helps you to overcome challenges and continue learning. Second point is enhanced learning. Interest in a particular subject often leads to a better engagement and deeper understanding. You are more likely you are more likely to enjoy and actively participate in classes, projects, internships, or in job. The third point is career satisfaction. Choosing a branch you are very passionate about increases the likelihood of long-term job satisfaction and career fulfillment. So, how do you identify your interests? So, you can identify your interests based on self-reflection. In the sense, think about the subjects and activities that excite you. Consider the topics you enjoy reading about or projects you have loved working on. Second way is identify your extracurricular activities. Look at your hobbies and extracurricular activities. They often provide you clues about your interests. The third option is career counseling and workshops. Participate in career counseling sessions and workshops which can help you to discover your interests through various assessment and guidance. Aptitude refers to your natural ability or talent in a specific area. It's an indicator how well you can perform certain tasks or understand concepts related to a particular field. Here is why aptitude matters. First point is academic success. If you have an aptitude for a particular field, you are likely to find coursework manageable and even enjoyable, leading to better grades and academic success. Second point is skill development. Natural aptitude often means that you can develop skills more easily and quickly in that area, making you more competent and confident. Third point is career efficiency. A high aptitude in your chosen field can lead to higher productivity and innovation, making you a very valuable asset in the workplace. So, how can you assess your aptitude? You can assess your aptitude by academic performance. Reflect on your performance in different subjects during school. Subjects you excel in might indicate your aptitude. You can also get feedback from your teachers and mentors. Teachers and mentors can provide insights into your strengths based on your performance and interests in various subjects. And the third option is to go for career counseling. So now we understood about our interest and aptitude, right? But to make an informed decision about which engineering branch to choose, you need to balance both your interest and aptitude. So here is how we can approach it. Here I have taken few engineering branches and also the respective interest and aptitudes required. If you have a passion for coding, software development, and problem solving, and also have logical thinking, mathematical skills, and attention to details, choose computer science and related branches. If you have a curiosity about chemical process, material science, and industrial applications, also have strong aptitude or strong foundation in chemistry and mathematics and analytical skills, choose chemical engineering. If you have an interest in construction, infrastructure development, and urban planning, and also have aptitude of spatial awareness, project management, and creativity, choose civil. Likewise, each engineering branches will have different interest and aptitude required. Based on that, you choose your right engineering branch. When choosing an engineering branch, understanding the career prospect and industry demand is crucial. These factors help students align their education with future job opportunities, ensuring that they not only pursue their interests and aptitudes but also enter fields with promising career growth and stability. Now let's understand about career prospects. Career prospects refer to the potential job opportunities, career paths, and growth trajectories available in a particular engineering branch. For example, computer science and engineering. Right? The tech industry is booming with high demand for professionals skilled in software development, data analysis, AI, and cybersecurity. For mechanical engineering, there's a steady demand in automotive, aerospace, robotics, and manufacturing industries. Electricals and electronics engineering. There's a growing demand in renewable energy, smart grids, electronics, and telecommunication. For civil engineering, high demand in infrastructure development, urban planning, and construction projects. Chemical engineering, demand in pharmaceuticals, energy, materials, and environmental sectors. Now let's talk about industry demand and technological advancements and trends. Industry demand refers to the current and projected need for professionals in various engineering fields. It is influenced by technological advancements, economic trends, and societal needs. If you consider a technology sector, there's a high demand for computers and IT graduates due to rapid digitization, AI, big data, and cybersecurity needs. Job market is expanding with attractive salaries and career growth opportunities. For manufacturing and automation sector, mechanical and electrical engineers are essential for automation, robotics, and smart manufacturing. There's a high emphasis on Industry 4.0 and IoT integration. If you take energy and sustainability sector, growing demand for electrical and chemical engineers specializing in renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and bioenergy. Environmental engineers for environmental engineering, there's a high focus on sustainable practices and environmental conservation. If you consider infrastructure and urban development, civil engineering, there's a high demand for infrastructure projects, smart city initiatives, and urban development. If you consider pharmaceutical and biotechnology sector, chemical and biotech engineers are essential for drug development, medical research, and bioprocessing. Healthcare is in growth trajectory. Increased investment in healthcare, pharmaceutical, especially post-pandemic. If you consider aerospace and defense sector, aerospace engineers are in high demand for defense, aviation, and space exploration sectors. So the concluding remarks are, you need to stay ahead of the curve by choosing branches that align with emerging technologies and trends. Innovation-driven branches can lead to exciting and dynamic careers. Consider long-term goals. Think, think about where you see yourself in next 10 to 20 years and choose a field that offers growth and stability. Next topic is the higher education and research opportunities. Consider branches that offer good opportunity for higher studies and research both in India and abroad. This can pave way for a advanced learning and innovation. At the end, placements and salary packages. Examine placement statistics and average salary packages for different branches. Good placements indicate branch relevance and demand in the job market. Choosing the right engineering college and branch is a crucial step toward a successful future. By considering these key points, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your academic interests and career aspirations. For more such informative videos, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for updates. Good luck on your journey to becoming a successful engineer.